Good morning, students. Today we are going to discussing about the 10th standard subject Science and Technology part first. So, the starting of the topic, some previous question asking for you. The question first is what are the types of matter? First question, what are the types of the matter? So your answer is solid, liquid and gas. Types of matter, solid, liquid and gas. And also another type is a plasma. Okay. Then next question, what are the types of element? What are the types of element? So your answer is metal, then non-metal, and third type is a metalloids. Metalloids. Okay. Then next question, what are the smallest particle of matter? So your quick answer is a atom. Quick answer, atom. Okay. The next question, what is the difference between element and compound? So we are discussing first the element. Elements means the only one kinds of particles or atom in the pre-state or combined state. Only one kinds of particle or atoms in the pre-state or combined state, call them elements. The another point is for the elements is element cannot be decomposed by any chemical or physical process. Elements cannot be decomposed by any chemical or physical process. The name of the some or examples of the some elements is copper, iron, okay, and oxygen, many elements. Then next discussing about the compound. The compound means Compound means it is produced by chemical reaction. Of two or more elements. It is produced by chemical reaction, two or more elements. And another, the compounds constituent separated by chemical process. For example, of name of the some compounds are we are known that generally salt. Then there is a molecular formula NaCl. Salt molecular formula NaCl. Another example, water. The molecular formula of water is H2O. So this is a compound separated by chemical reaction or process. It means the sodium and chlorine. The chemical process, they get separated by constituent sodium and chlorine. Another, the water get separated by chemical process. They use elements hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, it means the compound separated by chemical process. Then we are know that in the world the elements present in a 118. 118. That in this 118, the natural in the found in the nature 92 elements, and remaining elements they will be made or produced in the lab. Okay. So this is some previous questions and their answers. We are going to main part of the topics. Our topic name is periodic classification of element. Why are the classification we are used? Because the classification is useful for the studying easily and short time. Then the classification of elements is the first scientist name is Dobereiner. And their rule is Dobereiner's threads. In this rule, Dobereiner threads. Threads means group of 3 elements. Their property is similar. Threads means group of 3 elements. Their property is same. The Dobereiner threads in the year 1870, Dobereiner, this is a German scientist, the Dobereiner proved that the properties of element related to atomic mass. Properties of element related to atomic mass. The Dobereiner proved that the properties of elements related to the atomic mass. He made a group of 3 elements, each showing similar chemical properties, and called them threads. Then next, he arranged the 3 elements in the threads is the increasing order of the atomic masses. The rule of this Dobereiner threads is a definition: the atomic mass of the middle element. Was approximately equal to the mean of the other two elements. For examples, like this. One, lithium, sodium, and potassium. This is a threads. Lithium, sodium, and potassium. These 3 elements are similar chemical properties. Their arrangement is an increasing order of atomic mass, and so potassium is a 39.1. We know that this is a threads arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses. The rule of the Dobereiner threads is a atomic mass of middle element is approximately mean of the other two elements. So this is the first and second. Prove that Dobereiner threads. First element lithium, Second, third element potassium. There is a mean and then value put. Lithium is atomic mass 6.9. Potassium is atomic mass 39.1. And there is a mean. The value of mean is 23. Is near or approximately or actually sodium atomic mass. The value of 23 is the atomic mass of sodium. Okay. Then another example discussing about Dobereiner threads. Another example or another threads, the calcium, strontium and barium. Calcium, strontium and barium. Calcium atomic mass number is 40.1, strontium 87.6 and barium 137.3. Okay, then put this value in the Dobereiner threads rule. This is a calcium, then barium, the value put down 40.1 plus 137.3, the value of this is the mean of this is 88.7 nearby strontium. Okay, so this is the Dobereiner threads. Okay, then next point, going to next point, the next scientist Newlands. Newlands was laws. The name of the Newlands laws is octaves. Octave laws. It means in all found elements arranged in a increasing order of atomic masses. Newlands laws. Newlands laws of octave. Next point, in the year 1866, Newlands arranged the elements known at that time in increasing order of their atomic masses. He found that every eighth element had properties similar to those of these first. For example, hydrogen, lithium, then barium, boron, carbon, then nitrogen, oxygen, then chlorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. Then here chlorine, calcium, potassium, calcium, then chromium, titanium, manganese and ferrous. So arrangement of elements in increasing order. So Newlands laws of octave is every eighth element similar properties. It means this is the first element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the eighth element. Both of them are similar properties. Then next lithium. The lithium here the 8th element is the sodium. So these are the same properties. These are the same properties. Okay, this is the rule of laws of Newland's laws of octaves. Newland's laws of octave. In this laws, some difficulties or some limitations because after next time then another elements are show that or discover these Newlands or limitations of Newlands octaves are the first limitations discussing. The first limitation is the Newlands could arrange 56 element only up to the calcium. 56 element up to the calcium. Okay. Then next, the place of the metal, cobalt and nickel. Place of the metal, cobalt and nickel along with hydrogens, along with halogens, while ferrous having similar properties with cobalt and nickel away from them along with the non-metals oxygen and sulfur. Third limitations, the properties of new elements discovered later did not fit in the Newland's laws of octaves. Did not fit in the Newland's laws of octave. Okay, these are the three limitations of the Newland's octave. Today we are discussing first point, Dobereiner. We are asking the questions of the Dobereiner. Write down the Dobereiner threads. The questions in the board paper. Another questions asking write down the Newland's laws of octaves or write down the limitations of the Newland's laws of octaves. Okay. In our notebook, note down the Dobereiner threads definitions, then Newland's laws of octaves, and also limitations of Newland's octave. Your homework. Okay, thank you.